Starting now.
Yes.
We're gonna do a vlog of the Seagulls. Oh, have you not heard of it?
No.
You metal song. Have you heard of this song? No, cause I haven't. I've never heard of it before. Oh, so you haven't heard of it? Oh yeah. No, I haven't. We're gonna teach you, okay? Just for now, I'm just gonna play a song. What's this? It's a I don't know what that is, but yeah. You're gonna like it, okay? If you don't know it, metal song, you're gonna like it. Yeah. Okay. And now we're gonna because we searched it up, so that'll popped up. It popped up with this. And now we're gonna play a song. It's only if you like it though. Let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. Can I turn up for you? What are you doing? Turning it up? I can't do it. Do you want me to help you? Here. Yeah. Why did you pause it? That better for you. Yeah. Yeah. Is it your first time? Yeah, my first time hearing that one. Good tune. You good? Look what they're doing, Metal Song. Metal Song. How? Look what they're doing.
Oh.
They're doing great. Yeah, they are. Doing great all day. It's cause, oh, it's nearly finished already. It's gone fast, hasn't it? Yeah, I can tell that. Yeah, it's gone fast. Oh, that was good. That was very good. Oh. I'll pause it for now. Yeah. Well, there's not meant to happen really. It's just the ads will come up. Oh no, I don't like ads. Yeah. 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 Screw the ads. So, what happened there? Have you got a cut or something, Goody? Let's have a look. Well, it kind of looks bad. It looks bad. Yeah. I don't know how I done that. How have I done that, but also, I don't know. I've done. Did you burn yourself? It's not that. What is it then? I'll hold the camera for a second. And then it's not gonna go anywhere. Oh. Where does it go then? Okay. What did you do it? Tell me, what did you do it? Did it from this one? Oh, that looks sore. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, did. Do you want to end this video? Well, we've got one more question to ask, you know. It's flock of the Seagulls. Now I know it. Yeah, now you do. It's just Iran. Yeah, I know this one. I know Iran. If I ran to something, so yeah. Just ended the video right there.